stepped into a dream, but now I barely wanna sing. Well, my voice feels fine, but there's nothing left to say. I tried searching for her face, but lately the clouds are in the way, and her phone works fine. I guess she's got nothing to say. I'm just a songbird in a cage, half screaming, and if she can't see through the haze, what's the point of songs again? Is all she'll ever be. One cold year now has turned to 3. You showed me who you are. We can't ever be what we were, but it wasn't real. You were just playing a part to keep from being alone. And there's no hiding now since you retired the role. Let me go on without you. Let me go on without you. Let me go on without you. Let me go on. Oh, how the night gives way to the dawn. We were the dew on the morning lawn. Our love was beautiful, but now it's gone. Our love was beautiful, but now it's gone.
Gas you up when you feel like shit. Well, run dry, ain't need that drip. Gas you up if you need that fix. Need that high, I'ma like that. You up every time you slip, back you up every time you trip. I'ma be there to gas you up. Never gotta watch your six. Trust me when I say that I'm your bitch. Cuff me, wicked, wicked, chillin' Netflix. Love me even when I throw a big fit. You could lose your shit. Baby, let it out, let me roll that spliff. I'ma be around, hard time, don't quit. I'ma hold it down, help you stack, deep grip. Get to know one of those. Never switch sides, super down.